Hello. So may we acknowledge also the presence of our balikbayan, Mr. and Mrs. Remigio Pascual. Welcome, sir. And also may we acknowledge the presence of our Barangay Kaugawad, Honorable Celso J. Domingo.
Dati sumarano nga piyesa apo, idauluan apo, dagiti balikbayan tayo, nga agapot balasi taaw. We have here Mr. and Mrs. Remigio Pascual, Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy Arcangel, ken amin apo nga balikbayan and professionals apo, mabalin tayo apo, sumala apo. Anat request tayo apo nga salain, I think, sweet music festa.
Manen idalwan dagiti balikbayan, dagiti professionals, nga idalwan ni Mr. and Mrs. Ramiro Pascual ken Jimmy Arcangel. Sweet music, maestro.
Something said should have known by the tone of my voice, baby, but you didn't listen. You played it, but you never meant. You said you rest in the past. Oh, gonna be easy. And so I know all about those fancies. I don't remember. God is what I speak where we was and we're still together. And I meant every word I said when I said I love you. I meant that I love you forever. And I'm gonna keep on loving you. God is the only thing I wanna do. I don't wanna speak, I just wanna keep on loving you. Every word I said when I said I love you, I meant that I love you forever. And I'm gonna keep on loving you. God is the only thing I wanna do. I don't wanna speak, I just wanna keep on loving you. Keep on loving you. God is the only thing I wanna do. I don't wanna speak, I just wanna keep on loving
Hello. Thank you so much, Apo nga Balikbayans. At this point in time, we would like also to acknowledge the different non-government organizations apo iti barangay tayo. We have here the Rural Improvement Clubs apo. Pagpamasang paminsan tayo apo nga acknowledge amin digiti NGOs because in a few minutes apo startan tayo apo diti programa. Again, palakpakan tayo apo the Rural Improvement Club, the Samahan ng Kababaihan sa Barangay or SKB, the Kalipi, the Barangay Nabotas Farmers Association, 4-H Club, Baska headed by I think Pastor Manganip. We also have here the different organization for each respective sitios, the PSYC, the Sitio Looban, NASA, Sitio Kasabaan. And likewise, apo, di kita agserserbi apo iti barangay tayo. We have here the Barangay Tanods, 4-H, Barangay Health Workers, Barangay Secretary, Barangay Treasurer, and aming admin staff apo. Deti sumarano nga apya sa apo, kesang kamay san apo, nga may idaulwan apo, diti na duma-duma apo nga gunglo, and professionales iti na botas apo. Balse, maestro.
Maria
Hello. So irwar tayo apo, dagiti tickets number tayo apo, tamang bunot tayo apo iti nagasat nga numero. Awagak man ni apo kapitan, nga umay mang bunot iti first 5 latan. Tap na lalisto tayo. At this juncture, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Glenn Jose. Welcome, sir, to our barangay coronation rites. Likewise, at Kadwati Paytat Tagayam nga rabi apo ni Mr. Patrick Fonasher, Mesa Kadagiti Advisory Council, iti barangay tayo apo. Welcome, sir. First lucky number is number 2251, igem iti, agnagan iti Christopher. Christopher, oh my God, on the count of 5. Again, ticket number 612251. Sir Chris. Gazeteng uncle. Mga baka iti, ano dita? Grocery items or package courtesy of Mrs. Eileen Ignacio Carino. Next ticket number is 612297. Makinig game advocate ni Sir Rizal Domingo. Congratulations, sir. Next apo is ticket number 2294. Igem ni Miss, asawa ni Apo Konsehal Arsenio Baltasar, Konsehala Marilu Baltasar.
Ket sumaro no nga number apo ket 612279 ngay gaman ni Leonora Ignacio. Pumasang kan Miss Eleonora Ignacio 612279. Next is 612197.
Again, last call, Leonora Ignacio. And the sumaro na apo ticket number 2197. 2197. Awan, mesa pay. Awan na, gaya na DJ Apo. Next Apo is ticket number, igigaman Apo ni Ma'am Miling Santos. Miling Santos, 612250, adetoy. For sure, at dadapay lang tamang rugi pa lang apo ti programa. Ken kadagiti kasang sangpet na launay apo, taga na botas ka man, weno saan, mabaling ka apo agparehistro ijay. Sango apo, adu digiti na isagana nga pa-premyo tat tangarabi. Adapay digiti inted apo ni guest speaker tayo, the Honorable James Brian Alcid, nga pa-premyo tat tanga rabi. Sakbay nga rugyanan tayo apo iti program proper. Mesa pay apo nga pyesa nga idadauluan ko maapo digiti na dumado mga sangsanga ili. Kas kada Mr. and Mrs. Glenn Jose, Balikbayan Mr. and Mrs. Remigio Pascual, Balikbayan Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy Arcangel, ken amin-aminan apo nga professionals apo nga dadtoy tatasalunan apo, mabalin tayo apo iti sumala apo. Right after apo, deti pyesa da apo, intayon to isa ranon apo, iti program proper. So get ready na apo, dagiti magipagpaset apo, iti deti nga coronation rites.
Pulong na kay si Magaysan.
Agyaman kami launay Apo, may we acknowledge the presence of our Barangay Chairman, Dominador F. Ignacio, our Barangay Kagawad, Honorable Darrell A. Carino, Honorable Hazel S. Maulit, Honorable Miguel F. Juan, Honorable Arsenio D. Baltasar, Honorable Felix C. Bartolome, Honorable Silverio C. Ignacio, and Honorable Celso J. Domingo. And we have also the acting SK Chairman, Honorable Rodolfo J. Sultan III, and our Barangay Secretary, Honorable Michael Anjoli Domingo, and our Barangay Treasurer, Honorable Marita B. Ignacio.
At this point in time, let us acknowledge the presence of the Secretary of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Ilocos Norte, Ma'am Mildred Nirmla Lamuase. Good evening, ma'am. Likewise, Apo, sumungsunga din Apo, itimesa Apo, kadigiti consultant ni Congressman Sandro Marcos. We have here tonight, Mr. Edwin Carino. Good evening, sir.
Mesa man pa yung nga bal si Apo para kadagiti barangay tanods can BHW tayo.
Pinagtuan ka, akas
Again, may we acknowledge the presence of Mr. Edwin Carino.
One of the consultants of the Honorable Congressman Sandro Marcos Apo. And Apo, tatay Apo nga datoy, Apo, our guest of honor and speaker for tonight's coronation rites, the Honorable James Brian Alisto Alcid.
Welcome, sir. Fiesta is a time when residents of a certain locality are rejoicing for their big day has finally arrived. It is so impressive to think that even though we were hit by the catastrophes, we still managed to be here as one family, united by strong faith and much love.
As we celebrate the 13th day of this religious festival, let us continue to give thanks, respect, and glory to our patron, Our Lady of Fatima, who is at the core of this joyous occasion. Friends, welcome to Barangay 62 Binabotes Fiesta 2024 with the theme na impapuswan a panagkakadwa, parnuay natital na, ragsak ken pudpudno a progreso. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let us all witness the grand march of tonight's guests of honor and speaker, barangay NGOs, balikbayans, and other guests. May I request Apo, the iti members, iti barangay councils, our crowning guest of honor and speaker Apo, to be at the center of the stage for the grand entrance Apo. Our distinguished guests, our crowning guests, respected government officials who are here this evening, generous parents of the members of the Royal Court, fellow kabarangayans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
So we are gathered here to celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Fatima and to witness the coronation ceremonies of the members of the Royal Court headed by His Royal Highness King Ezekiel Angel and Her Majesty Queen Glea Kylie Ignacio. I am sure that your eagerness and excitement are still soaring high because for sure our Royal Court will be more amazing this evening. I would not therefore keep you waiting. So I am Bernadette Joy Espina.
And I am Christian Felix Ignacio, your
Your
MCs
MCs
for
for
this
this
affair.
affair.
To formally start this momentous event, may we all rise and let us fill our hands to God for His blessings, guidance, and protection. And this everything we do this evening is according to His divine will. Through a doxology to be led to us by the R&B band. After which, may we give respect to Our Lady of Fatima by offering flower. After which, this remains standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be played by R&B band.
I come before you today, and there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We are grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my sickness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You break your heart in a song of praise, in an outstretched arm. I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, we thank you. Oh, we thank you, Lord. Lift your voice. Thank you, Lord. All you've done in our lives, we wanna say thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes, we do. All we wanna say, yes, we do. Thank you, Lord. 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 With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes, we thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Itanga kanito, kas panagyaman apo kini patron ti barangay tayo, intay nga rin isagot dagiti igem nga sabong tayo kini Birhen Fatima. Nga idadauluan apo ti barangay officials, followed by our guest of speaker, ken amin na bisbisita, itatanga rabi. Instrumental music. May I request everybody to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Ms. Manalyn Tabladillo, SK Secretary, conducting. Thank you very much. Please be seated.
Sweet words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. Happiness radiates like the fragrance from a flower and draws all good things towards you. And to brighten our atmosphere and accommodate us, Barangay Chairman Honorable Dominador Raf Ignacio will now give his words of welcome. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Umuna ti amin, alak man tayo yung agundaway, kamang kablaaw, dagiti nasang sangayan, nga bisita tayo, itang arabi. Imuna ti amin, dahito guest of honor speaker tayo, sa bali ni Apo, Sir Brian Alisto Alcid. Good evening, sir. Mr. Edwin Carino, nga konsultan ni Apo Kong Sandro Marcos. Disangkon niyang panlalawigan, Secretary, Ma'am Mildred Lamuste. Good evening, ma'am. Dagiti na dumadumang NGOs, non-government organisasyon. Kaska dagiti Nabutas Farmer Association idadauluan ni Kagawad Mr. Celso Domingo, Baska President and members, Pastor Irinio Manganip, RIC President and members, Ms. Grace Corpus, SKB President and members, Ms. Eileen Ranho, the Four Peace President, Mrs. Sylvia Juan, ken kadgiti na dumado mga sitios, kablawang kayo itinembag nga rami tayo amin, Apo. Dagiti amin nga professionals ken barangay tayo, kadagiti barangay tayo nga aggapo ti balasi taaw, ken dagiti balikbayan. Padak nga agserserbi iti barangay, kagawad, SK Chairman, ken kagiti kagawad na, digiti Secretary, Identity Secretary, ken Treasurer, Kastamet, Apo, kadagiti Lopons, ken BHW, ken amin nga agserserbi iti barangay tayo. Kadagito'y naganak, ang makaronaan tatta nga rabii, digiti ubing nga kameng ti Royal Court para iti coronation right ita nga barangay fiesta 2024. Ket amin nga barangayan nga dito'y nga rabii na imbag rabi tayo na po. Bayat ti panangrambak tayo iti fiesta, kas pamadayaw ken Apo Birhen Fatima. Alayan tayo mga ro dagundaway makilangen iti pamilya, iti kababagyan ken gagayem tayo. Iti fiesta kastamet nga special apanawen, tapno masabet, mapapigsa ken mapabaro, iti sagalot kadigita tao, at imolong kada tayo iti panagbalay kita tayo. Kang runaan na celebrayan tayo iti piyesta, ken may sa atignay ti panagyaman ti Diyos kadigiti amin na bendisyon nga inted na kada tayo. Alaag man dito yung agondaway nga rod, nga kablaawan, kadigiti amin na sayat at tao iti barangay na Butas B, bayat ti panangkadkadwa na kada tayo, iti nang panangrambak, iti panagpiyesta tayo. Bayat tasang kwentay amin dagito yung akarit, agtalekak ababaen ti panagtitinolong, kan natibker a panagkukumit tayo, rumuar tayo ang nagkaykaysa kitapiksa tapno at dapay nga agtrabaho para iti nasasayat, para iti masakbayan. Itultuloy tayo, ti pananggupit tayo, iti panagkaykaysa, panagtitinolong, ken panagkakadwa, bayat ti panagipabuya tayo, iti dato yung selebrasyon, ken nagtultuloy, may parangarang ti puso tayo, ken nagserbi, nga inspirasyon, amang tignay kada tayo, iti mabannog, apan nagregtaryo, ang mga ramit ti nasaya at nga masakbayan. Iti biyang ti Barangay Council, welcome to the 2024 Barangay Pesta and Coronation Rite. Good evening. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Apo Kapitan, for the heartwarming welcome address. And now, the excitement never stops. Here's to give us a showcase of the talent. Don't close your eyes, feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Here they are, the ever-blooming, talented, and flexible dancers of Kabatingan proper. Let's give them a resounding applause.
Again, while waiting Apo, kadigitag perform from Sitio Kabatingan proper, I think di Casiano siblings ti Jaya Apo. While waiting Apo, ang agpreparar damang bunot ay Apo ti lucky number ay wagak man nga rin ni Mr. Edwin Carino nga umay bumunot iti nagasat na numero, sir. Thank you, sir. So, lucky number Apo, agsasaro no digituyen, naganalatat ibanggidekon. First ticket number Apo ket igaman ni Mr. Raymart Juan. Mr. Raymart Juan. Next is Mrs. Rema Ignacio. Another ticket, lucky ticket number 268, igigaman ni Crisani Gale. Crisani Gale. And last but not the least, ticket number 2347, igigaman ni Mrs. Mary Jane Angel. Mary Jane Angel Remigio. Congratulations. Tigiti Apo nga pa-premium nga grocery package Apo kit indunar Apo ni Mrs. Eileen Ignacio Carino. Kaya nadanto pa Apo, digiti pa-raffle nga inted Apo ni guest speaker tayo. Kaya digiti na ayat pa yung donors Apo, kadigiti nga pa-premium itang rabi. Again, awagak manen Apo, digiti dancers from Sitio Kabatingan proper. Isudano ko Apo itinangabak, iti matinee show nga na-uswat Apo iti May 9, 2024 Apo. Let's give a round of applause to the dancers from Kabatingan proper. Thank you so much, Kabatian proper dancers. At this juncture, let us witness the entrance of the members of the Royal Court, beginning with the entrance of the second prince. Our second prince is Raysen Drew Piedad. Raysen is from Sitio Centro. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Ros Carlo R. Piedad and currently studying at Nabotas Elementary School. Let's give a round of applause to the entrance of the second prince, Raysen Drew Piedad. Again, let us witness the entrance of the flower girls of our first prince. Or sec- Again, let us witness the entrance of the crown bearers.
Francisco Nico Bare.
Our second princess is
Aisel Rich Malika of Sitio Casaba. The daughter of Mr. Richard Ignacio Elise. Aisel Joy Malika. Aisel Rich is a grade 2 pupil at Kataban Elementary School.
again, palakpakan tayo, our second prince, Grayson Dupredad from Sitio Centro, and second princess, Isel Rich Kalika from Sitio Casabaan. Together with their proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ros Carlo Arpiedad, and Mr. Richard Ignacio and Miss Lisel Joy Kalika. Ladies and gentlemen, our second prince and second princess.
And now our first prince, Jason Anquilio, and our first princess, Shailene Marjorie A. Sai. Together, the grand entrance of their flower girls.
Again, let us witness the entrance of the flower girls of our first prince and first princess. Again, imatangan tayo may apo ti panag-entrance, the crown bearers, iti first prince and first princess.
And now let's welcome our first prince, is Jason Anquilio. So Jason is from Sitio Cabatingan. He's the son of Mr. and Miss Alberto Anquilio Jr., a grade 5 pupil at Tabotas Elementary School. He wants to become pilot someday. And his first princess, Shailene Marjorie A. Sykes.
A 4-year-old from Sitio Cabatingan, Phase B. She is the daughter of Mrs. Gemaline Sykes. Again, let's give a round of applause to our first princess, Shailene Marjorie A. Sykes, and first prince, Jason Anquilio of Sitio Cabatingan. Walking in the stage is the proud parents of our first prince, Mr. and Mrs. Alberto Anquilio Jr., together with the parents of our first princess, Mrs. Gemaline Sykes. Ladies and gentlemen,
Her Majesty Queen Glea Kylie Ignacio I,
and His
And-
Royal Highness King Ezekiel Angel I, as the highest ruler of this kingdom, march to her throne, she will be showered with flowers. And so, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the grand entrance of the flower girls of our Majesty Queen and our Highness King. And now let us witness the grand entrance of the crown bearer.
together with Crown Bearer Prince John Tadeos Castillo, and Prince Joe Juan.
Here we are, the most awaited part of tonight's occasion. The highlights of tonight's affair, may we all stand to witness the grand entrance of Her Majesty Queen, Glaya Kylie Ignacio, and His Royal Highness King Ezekiel Angel from Sicho or Porok Silao. Our Majesty Queen is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kevin Ignacio. She is a grade 3 pupil at the Botas Elementary School. Clea loves reading books, dancing, singing, and playing computer games. Once again, our Majesty Queen, Queen Clea Kylie Ignacio I.
Here we are, the most awaited part of tonight's occasion, the highlights of tonight's affair. May we... So, His
Ikantay kinabara ang sipsipat, our Barangay Fiesta 2024 Royal Highness King Ezekiel Angel and Her Majesty Queen Iglaya Kylie Ignacio from Purok Silao. Again, marching on the aisle together with the highest
King
Soya
Ezekiel Angel,
and Her Majesty Queen Laya Kylie Ignacio, together with their proud parents, Miss Jenny Flor R. Angel and Mr. and Mrs. Kevin Ignacio. Again, ikanteman apo tinabarang sipsipat the members of the Royal Court for this year's 2024 coronation rites.
successful person maintains good standards that go hand in hand with success in every area of endeavor, which develops a status. The way one works determines the quality and quantity of rewards. At this moment, we are elated and privileged to have with us a special man that will give us inspiration. And to know him more, may we call on Miss Rainiel Denise S. Maulit, SK Kagawad, to do the honor in introducing our crowning guest tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, barangay officials, my fellow SK officials, dagiti na duma-duma nga non-government organization, balikbayans, distinguished guest, and kabarangayak na imbag arabii tayo amin. It is with great pleasure that we gather tonight for our Barangay Fiesta 2024 with a team na impapuswa na panagkakadwa, parnuayan natital na, ragsak, ken pudpudno a progreso. As we come together to celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Fatima, we are honored to be joined by a remarkable individual whose journey of service and leadership has left an indelible mark in our community.